Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the support and resistance lines version 2. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the support and resistance line V2. Version 2. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 48 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 524 indicators, with 220 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the support and resistance lines V2, version 2. And I did go in and make a slight modification, and so what I did was I bumped up the weight of these dots, and so they were originally down here on this one. I bumped them up to this weight right here, just to make them really stand out. And so as you can see, what we have here is support and resistance lines that's being drawn kind of at an angle to price action. And so the setup on this is what we're looking for is the price action to break a support or resistance line. And so when we get a break of the support and resistance line, the red to the upside, then we are going to go long. When we get a break to the downside, then we're going to go short. Now, as price action goes on, and maybe we'll look at this a little bit more as we're doing the testing. As price action moves on, it starts to build these dots one candle at a time, slowly creating the line. And so what we're looking for is a line that is composed of at least 4 dots to consider it to be a support and resistance line. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. And like I said, we'll take a look at this a little bit more as we're going forward here. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but right here you can see that it was building these dots, this support and resistance line right here as we were kind of moving forward. Then it started to build this one right here. Now what we're looking for is this line right here. So you see how this line right here was formed by these dots. And then what we get is a break and close above that existing line. Now keep in mind that we will continue to see these dots build as we go. And so they'll start to create other dots. But that is what we're looking for right there, is that break of that line. And that is a long signal right there. Let's go ahead and measure this out. See if we got to take profit. Didn't quite hit take profit yet. There's another example of a good break right there. So you see that we have this line right here, and it consists of 4 or more dots. And then we get that clean break with price action to the upside right there. And so that again would be an example of what we're looking for whenever I say a break of a line with 4 dots or more, comprised of 4 dots or more. All right, so that trade right there does get us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Actually, what we'll do here is, let me look here. That should have, yes. So what we actually got was the take profit hit on this one with this candle here, but then it closes with another signal to the upside. So we'll consider that another signal. Go ahead and play it forward and see what happens. All right, so you see here as we just kind of trailed along, that one that we took right there got a slight pullback, then a break. Then as we followed it along here, we got kind of the same thing where we picked up the 4 dot line and the break. That was our take profit from this one, but then the close into a new signal. And then you see that price action just shoots up right there really nicely. I don't think, let's see. Yeah, we wouldn't have got the actual take profit until this bar right here, and it hasn't given us another signal yet. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Back this up a little bit here. There. Alright, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So a really decent win rate. Not too bad of a number of trades. I mean, this indicator works off of support and resistance, and this is basically support and resistance break, support and resistance breakout style strategy that we are using it. And so yeah, all in all, a pretty solid indicator. Can't complain too much about it. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.